after authorities banned any public acknowledgement of the Tiananmen Square crackdown for a third consecutive year. For decades, Hong Kong traditionally held a candlelit vigil in the park to remember the violent military suppression of student protesters in Beijing's Tiananmen Square on the 4th of June 1989. The ban is seen as part of a move to eradicate any signs of political dissent and is evidence of Hong Kong's loss of freedoms as Beijing tightens its grip over the semi-autonomous Chinese city. Hong Kong resident Donald Tam told the AP Beijing's increasing control over the city is upsetting. I'm disappointed because although no one is organizing any commemorative events, the authorities are already on high alert. I'm Karen Chama.
Coming up, the COVID pandemic's been good for luxury product sales. It's 152.
Shop the Shutter Hut and save 20% on custom plantation shutters. Work directly with the owners. Free in-home estimates. Call 847-670-6790.
Searching for that unique gift for the collector in your life? Stop by Turbo Toys in Prospect Heights. Turbo Toys is a small store full of unique treasures and wonderful memories. They sell Star Wars, Ninja Turtles, Marvel, Hot Wheels, Matchbox, records, Funko Pop, Beatles, Nintendo, trading cards, and more. And if you have toys and collectibles you'd like to sell, stop by, call, or email with your items and let them make you an offer. Visit TurboToysCollectibles.com. Turbo Toys with a Z buys and sells toys and collectibles.
5X480, Cade B100 V-Belt, one of the many parts Ranger carries. It's also the item that helped Rob carry the day. The job was on hold, the deadline fast approaching, but a quick search on Grainger.com, Rob found his part. And with same-day pickup at his local branch, he and his crew got the job done, safely and on time. Get supplies and solutions for every industry with real-time product availability. Call quickgrainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, the ones who get it done.
It's 153. Let's get an update on business from Fortune.
There's a surprising reason why the pandemic has been great for the luxury products industry. I'm Jeff Colvin at Fortune Magazine with the Fortune Business Update. You might think that the pandemic caused people to reflect on what really matters in life, like family, friends, and purpose, and it probably did. But at the same time, the luxury products industry has been booming, and the CEO of the company that owns Valentino and other luxury brands says, quote, after the pandemic, rich people are more aware they are going to die and want to spend their money on luxury, unquote. He may be right. Researchers at the University of Geneva found that luxury goods help individuals cope with death-related anxiety. There's plenty of it. Faced with strong demand, luxury brands are limiting supply and increasing prices. Chanel has even limited the number of certain handbags clients can buy in some markets, no more than 2 a year. I'm Jeff Colvin.
The smoke is back at Church's. Our $6 smokehouse chicken meal is a juicy half chicken served with mashed potatoes and a honey butter biscuit. All that for just $6, but not for long. Church's, welcome to the great state of flavor. Offer valid at participating locations.
Pete is happily scratching an instant ticket from the Illinois Lottery. So even though the leak in his canoe turned his fishing trip into a fishing dip, Pete's walking on air because he knows anyone could win in an instant. Play today. Be smart, play smart. Must be 18 years old to play. Game on available at IllinoisLawyer.com.
I'm attorney Glenn Lerner. After being a personal injury attorney for 28 years, I've learned a lot of things about insurance companies, and there are a few things I trust more than them. For example, I trust a rabid cobra protecting your babies. I trust a hungry grizzly bear with a steak in my pocket, and I trust a